Welcome back, my friends, to another Wendy's stock update. We're going to talk all thing Wendy's until it squeezes. Hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe. I'm going to get into it, why you should be bullish on Wendy's more than ever. All right, so this is not financial advice. Red on the day, but all price action is irrelevant until the squeeze. I want to see this thing absolutely fly. All right, so check this out. Jim Cramer, by the way, they edited this article. You can see it was updated. Alexa Lomonaco, I'm on to you because last night this said sell Wendy's stock. But in any case, Jim Cramer said take profit on Wendy's. You know what that means. Put in the comments below if you're new to the stock market. And I got to inform you about that. Jim Cramer has a fantastic track record of saying sell when you should have bought and vice versa. Okay, so his comments are, I think you should take profits in Wendy's if you did buy it during that meme strength. A little bit late on the comment. Also, it's only up from $6. It only went from $6 to $9. That's not meme strength, homie. That's not a squeeze. So until it squeezes, I'm going to be here making videos every single fucking day, going live. This shit was hilarious, by the way. You got the borrow fee rate down to 7.5%. I want to see that go up towards 100%. The good news is it is still the third most popular stock on all of iBorrowDesk. Wendy's is not going away. Why? Because of its cultural significance in Wall Street bets history. All right, you got GameStop, you got AMC, and you got Wendy's. Square burgers, diamond hands. See you for the next video.